Good morning, everyone. So, we are going to start with just how we can log into a Zoom call. Okay, so basically, there are a couple of ways. One is through the link, another one is through join. Now, when you say join, it says joining meeting. So, whatever is your ID, whichever ID you get, there is numbers you need to enter here, or if I already have logged into a system earlier, so it will be having that particular name. Okay, for example, Qnet Infinity System, Javed Thakur, Infinity V Cells, Sunday System, LS Meeting, right? So whichever thing you want to log in, you just press that or you enter the ID number. So example, I want to enter, the number is 93401945113. Okay, now in case my name is something like this, okay, something, it can be anything, right? So what you have to do, I'll just take a close up. You just need to edit the name. Example, my name, then I press space, bracket open, either ISB or CTC and the name of the CTC. Okay, and bracket close. Once you do this, you just need to press join. So what has happened now here? You have already edited the name before entering. Now you enter the number, which is the passcode, and say joined. Okay. So what you will get, the host has another meeting in progress. As soon as the host sees you, you are logged in, right? As simple as this. Please follow these instructions and you will be able to log into any Zoom call, Zoom meetings. Okay, have a good day. God bless. Thank you.